Part 5 of the Tips for Teachers series, adding an external URL to a module. To add a URL, mouse over the module and select the plus symbol. In the Add Item window, select External URL from the drop-down list. 3 new options will appear. Grab the URL from another page and paste it into the first entry field. Enter the page name or title in the second entry field below. Select the box Load in a new tab for the link to open on a new page or a new tab. Add an indentation level, if desired. Select Add Item. You have a link. Check it out so you can see the page and understand that giving students an easy out like a new tab makes navigation through the module easier.